Linear equation exam practice question 9. Solve the following equations for x algebraically. This first question, the first thing I'm going to think about is expanding my brackets. That means this 5 must times with everything inside the brackets, and this 2, negative 2, times everything inside the brackets. So 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Then I've got negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. And negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, and it equals 226. We then look at our like terms. So I've got 10x and negative 4x, which equals 6x. And my next like terms are my constants, negative 20 and positive 4, which equals negative 16, which equals 26. Now, there is a constant on both sides, so the first thing I need to think about is getting rid of the constant on one side, which means I'm going to add 16. So that leaves me with 6x is equal to 26 plus 16, which is 42. Now, I still want x by itself, so I need to do the opposite operation. At the moment, it is being times by 6, so I divide by 6. Which leaves me x is equal to 42 divided by 6 is 7. Let's look at our next question. Before I get started, I'm going to see if I can simplify anything with my fraction. And I can see that with my fraction on my right hand side, there's a common factor of 3. I can divide the top by 3 and I can divide the bottom by 3. The second thing I would like to do is I would also like to write 5 as a fraction. So to make it out of 2. So now I've got 10 over 2, take away x plus 7 over 2. Now, being on my left-hand side, I'm just focusing on that side first. This negative sign must apply to everything in the bracket. So I can rewrite that as 10 take away x take away 7 over 2. 10 take away 7 is 3. So it turns into 3 take away x over 2. Let's look at my left-hand side. I want to expand the brackets to get rid of them. So 4 times 6 is 24. And it'll be 4 times negative 2 is minus 8, but minus 8x over 9. So I've now got the question of 24 minus 8x over 9 is equal to 3 minus x divided by 2. So the next step that I would like to do now is I am going to times this side by 2 and this side by 2. And I'm doing it in smaller steps so you can understand why. That means I'm just going to rewrite this as 2 24 minus 8 x over 9 is equal to, and timesing and dividing cancels out, is equal to 3 minus x. Now, to get rid of divided by 9, if I times both sides by 9, it will cancel it out on the bottom. So I could have done that at the same time. Times both sides by 9. And that would put times 9 on my right hand side, and it will cancel out the divided by 9. Now all I need to do is expand my brackets. 2 times 24 is 48. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16x. Is equal to 3 times 9 is 27. And 9 times negative x is negative 9x. Now we just need to get x onto one side, and we need to get our constants onto one side. So I am going to add 16x to both sides. And I will, at the same time, I will take away 27 from both sides. Because of that, cancels out 27 take away 27, and that cancels out negative 16x plus 16x. So we've got 48 take away 27 is 21. And then I've got 9x plus 16x is 7x. And then I just need to divide both sides by 7 to get x by itself. So x will equal 21 divided by 7 equals 3.